Good morning dear students. In previous class we have discussed about what is meant by stack and how it going to perform push and pop algorithm, or how it going to perform push and pop operation. As you know, stack I can call it is a collection of or it is a ordered sequence of data items where insertion and deletion takes place at the same end. We are calling as what? Stack. And stack is having what? A pointer, that is what? Top. When you are going to insert any data item, you have to increment what? Top value. While deleting, that is mean popping out, you have to decrement what? Top value. This is what? Stack. Today we are going to discuss about what? Applications of stacks. Applications of stacks in the sense where and all the concepts, which and all the concepts we have used what? Stack. The first one is what? Reverse a word. Reverse a word. See, in reverse a word concept, we are using what? Stack. Like reversing a word, any word you can take. If you reverse that one, you will get what? Same output. In this concept, it perform based on what? Stack. Like you are going to pushing a letter by letter into the stack. While popping out, you have to take what? Letter by letter. In the sense, you are going to push a letter into the stack. While popping out, it will work from the top. Okay, in reverse a word concept, we are using what? Stack. And the second one is what? Undo mechanism. In second one, what? Undo mechanism. See, as you know, suppose assume that by mistake anything we have deleted, either in Gmail or in gallery, anything we have deleted. Okay, immediately you have to recover that file. What you are going to do? You are going to do what? Undo. If you do undo, what will happen? Whatever the deleted file is there, that will be automatically recovered. In undo mechanism, we are using what? Stack concept. And the third one is what? Backtracking. See, backtracking means it is a type of game. Okay, it is a type of game. How this game will work means it is having what? Starting, end and end point. Starting point and end point. Once you reach it from starting to end, while coming back, you have to come from the top. Okay, while coming back, you have to come from the top so that it goes. While pop operation, it works based on what? Backtracking. See, in the textbook they have given one diagram. So this is what your backtracking game, and assume that this is starting end and this is end point. Once you reach it from starting to end, okay, if you want to come back from the end point, again you have to come from top. Okay, from top you are going to remove it, or else from the top you are going to come back. Okay, this is what a stack concept. It is one of the gaming technique. And fourth point, converting decimal to binary. Okay, in first year concepts you have discussed conversion of what? Decimal to binary. In decimal to binary we are using what? Stack concept. So consider they have given some decimal value as what? 12. Okay, you have to convert this into binary. How you are going to convert? You are dividing from 2. Okay, you are dividing from 2. Okay, like 2 6 are 12. The remainder is 0. And 2 3s are 60. 2 1s are remainder is 0. So how we are going to consider from the bottom? Okay, in this conversion concept, decimal to conversion concept, so the remainder you are going to consider from bottom to top. Okay, so in this concept you are using what? Stack. Converting a decimal to binary. And fifth point, converting infix to prefix. Converting infix to prefix expression, we are using what? The same concept. Then sixth one, It is also used in rearranging railroad cars. Okay, in railroad cars also, the cars are arranged in an order. While removing or while taking back, you are taking from the top. Okay, you are removing from the top of the stack. And seventh one, Tower of Hanoi. Tower of Hanoi concept. See, in this Tower of Hanoi, it is one of the mathematical game or a puzzle. Okay, Tower of Hanoi, it is a mathematical game or a puzzle which is having what? A rod, which consists of what? Rod. And here we are arranging different discs. Okay, we have to take what? Different discs, and that will be arranged in ascending order. That will be arranged in ascending order. Okay, consider this is the rod and this is the disc. We are taking different size of disc. In Tower of Hanoi, which is my top? This is this one. Small rod is my top. This will be removed first. Small rod will be removed first, followed by the second one, followed by third one. So in this concept, we are using what? Stack. But in this Tower of Hanoi, only one disc can be removed at a time. Okay, in this mathematical game or a puzzle, we are using what? Tower of Hanoi concept, and it works based on what? Stack. And eighth one, runtime memory management. Runtime memory management. See, runtime memory management, you have to manage your memory while executing the program. Okay, so before you are going to allocate any memory, it will become what? Static. After executing or while executing, it will become what? Runtime. In runtime also, if you want to manage a memory, then again you have to use what? Stack concept. So this and all the important applications where we have used what? The stack concept. The first one is what? Reverse a word. Any word you can take, if you reverse that one, you have to get what? An output. So the reverse word, it works based on the principle of stack. You are going to pushing a letter by letter into the stack and removing from the top of the stack. And the second one, undo mechanism. Any file you can take. Okay, when by mistake you have removed, again you have to recover that file, means you have to press undo, means straight away the file will be recovered. Okay, the undo mechanism, it works based on what? Stack, and it is mainly used in what? Text editing concept. Backtracking, it is one of the game which is having starting and end. Once you reach to the end point, you have to come from the top. Okay, that is what you are backtracking. And converting decimal to binary, any decimal number you can take and you have to divide by 2. Okay, while dividing by 2, you will get some what? Binary form, and that again it works from what? The stack concept. Converting infix to prefix, already you have this concept and they have given one example also, but they have removed from the syllabus. I will confirm if it is there. Again I am going to explain in detail what is meant by infix and prefix. Then rearranging railroad cars. Okay, you know, if you go for car showroom or anything, the cars are arranged from one after the another. If you want to remove the first one, you have to remove all the car which is standing behind the first one. So it again works with the principle of what? Stack. Then Tower of Hanoi, it is one of the mathematical game or a puzzle, and here we have to take different types of disc, and one rod will be there. All different types of disc that will be arranged in an order, ascending order, and always we have to remove small rod. Okay, only one rod can be removed at a time. Then runtime memory management. Runtime memory management means if you want to execute any program, while executing program, any memory required, anything memory you want to allocate, okay, that time you have to use what? Stack concepts. Okay, these are all the important applications of what? Stack.